Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about how onions make us cry. So, let's say one day, okay, maybe you're in the kitchen and you want to cook some food, okay? You're in the kitchen and in the recipe you need some onions. So you decide, okay, fine. I'm going to grab some random onion. You randomly grab some random onion. You take your knife and you start cutting it. Then all of a sudden, you start to slowly start to cry. Your eyes kind of sting a bit, and you start to cry. Okay, and you realize, why am I crying? I'm not even sad. Well, the thing is, when cutting an onion, you're not just cutting a vegetable, you're also activating a chemical defense system. So, how does this chemical defense system even work in the first place? Well, the first thing that happens is that when we cut the onion, naturally, we cut some of the cells inside the onion, okay? When we cut it. So when we cut the onion, some of the cells are cut, which releases an enzyme called alleliase, something like that, okay? I can't spell it properly, but this enzyme combines itself with a sulfur compound that's found inside the onion, which creates a gas, okay? Which is called syn dash I can't really spell this, but S-oxide. It's, okay, we're just going to call this tear gas, okay? So this tear gas, okay, is eventually released outside from the onion and then just floats our way and touches the moisture in our eyes, if it ever gets up there. So when it touches the moisture in our eyes, it irritates our eyes, okay? So since it irritates our eyes, our tear glands activate, okay, to wash away the irritateness of it, okay? So it washes away everything, and bam, you start crying. That's why you get tears. And that's basically how an onion makes you cry. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.